Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix SEGA Football Club Champions game crashing or not working, not loading, lagging, freezing, stopping or other issues on Android phone. So the very first method is to restart your phone once. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your phone once your device restarts. Now try to open the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you're using Wi-Fi, then restart your router once, or else move to mobile data, or do vice versa and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to force stop the game. For that, go to the settings and go to the apps section. After that, search for the game. Now here you can see force stop, click on it and then click on OK. Now after force stopping the game, now try to open it and check whether it's working or not. If not, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage and cache and then click on clear cache, and after that try to open the game and check whether it's working or not. If the issue still occurs, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for SEGA Football Club Champions and open it, and here you should check if any update is available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. If you still face the issue, you are suggested to install a VPN app and then try to launch the game. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN and you will get lots of apps available. Install any one of them and then try to install the game and launch it and check whether it's working or not. If after trying all the above methods you still face the same issue, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. For that, go to settings and then go to the app section. After that, go open the game, and here you can see uninstall option. Simply click on it and then click on OK. So this will uninstall the game. After that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, you have to search for the game and then click on install option, and once the game is installed, now try to launch it and then check whether you can play it without any further problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.